Hello everybody, today we are going to see the unboxing of Cepheid Xpert MTB RIF Ultra Kit. So guys, this is the top and the front view of the box, and you can see this is the Expert MTB RIF Ultra Gene Expert Kit. You can see it is made in India. See, the reference number is GXMTB Ultra MIL 10. You can see the lot number and the manufacturing and the expiry date, and you can see all these details. You can find the manufacturing address here. It is made in India, and so this is the top view. Let me show you the sides. So this is the side view of it. You can see it is a South African certification holder. It's the other end. So guys, let's open the box. So as you see on top, there is this Gene Expert MTB RIF Ultra for all Gene Expert system with software version. This is one software. This is a device with a CD. It is used for assay definition file, import instructions for use. You can see there is one CD over here, and after that, you can see there is this sterile swabs here present. You can find the sterile swabs, and next you can find the assay diluent. You can find the assay diluent. You can see here, Gene Expert MTB RIF sample reagent 8 ml. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 reagents are present. You can see it here. Let me keep it aside, and you can see here. This is these are the cartridges. Each cartridge is present, and